What are you doing, Anderson? This is Anderson's room, and he is now big enough to get to the first shelf of his bookshelf. So I put all the cardboard books on the bottom shelf so he can play with the cardboard books. And then once he's bigger, he'll be able to play with the other books. Anderson, what's that? What are you eating? Oh, is that a cell phone? Does it taste good? Really? You think so? Hmm? Oh, I forget. You gotta keep it this way. What else? What else is there? Is there anything else? Hey, big boy. Hey. Yeah? Oh, okay then. Can you say bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to the camera. Anderson. Say bye-bye. Alright, good enough for now. Bye-bye.